Ever wished your Swiss chard could last forever? Well, it can, if you harvest your own seeds. Today I'm showing you the simple, satisfying way to collect Swiss chard seeds so you never have to buy a packet again. Imagine growing Swiss chard year after year, all from seeds you harvested with your own hands. In this video I'll guide you through the easy steps to collect and store Swiss chard seeds like a pro. Swiss chard produces seeds only after it bolts. That's when the plant shoots up a tall flower stalk. Don't remove it. This is exactly what you want. Bolting happens in warm weather or when the plant gets older. Soon you'll notice clusters of small round pods. Inside each one is a group of seeds. Let the plant continue growing and allow these pods to mature fully. When the pods turn brown, dry and crumble easily between your fingers, that's your sign. Your seeds are ready for harvesting. Use your finger to gently harvest the seeds from the plant stalks, letting them fall into a bowl or paper bag. The dry pods will crumble easily, releasing the mature seeds with just a light touch. Always remember to give the seeds time to dry out completely. It is very important not to harvest the green seed pods because they won't sprout when you plant them. Green seeds are not fully developed and are not ready to grow. If you pick them too early, you could end up with seeds that are useless. Make sure to wait until the pods change color and look dry before you collect them. This way you will have mature seeds that can germinate and grow into healthy plants when you plant them. Spread the seeds out for a few days to make sure they're completely dry. Then store them in a labeled envelope or small airtight jar in a cool, dry place. And that's it. You now have your own homegrown Swiss chard seeds ready to plant next season. If you found this helpful, tap like to support the channel, drop a comment to tell me which garden seed you want to harvest next, and share this video with a fellow gardener who'd love growing their own food. Happy gardening!